Edward, say hi.
Bye, Ma.
Hi.
Yesterday he asked, Jude, when can I see you again after 1 million years?
Ang tagal
Nagkita rin sila ngayon.
Lagi siya nag-aabang ng kalaro dito.
Dito po ba kayo nakatira?
Oo.
Hey, Jude. Kami naman, naging na rin. Oh, I thought I'm the ano. Jude. Hey, no? Who's behind me?
Yes.
It's Edward.
You cheated by asking.
Because she heard your voice, you're the last one who sing at her back. That's why she found out that's you.
She asked me anyway. She asked me what's behind me.
Yeah, because you answer. But if you did not answer, she will not know, I think.
I got you.
Oh, come on, you do it again.
Okay, anak. Close your eyes.
The bird is a king bird. When away, let's get out. In the evening, the dots, the rain and the turtles left this. Who is the one we play? You now.
Oh, don't talk na.
It's me! Wrong! It's me, Jude! It's me! I'm behind you!
Yes, I see you.
Because she's not asking, it's fine to ask. Yes. Okay, then who's to be the victim? You! No, I'm the admin of the game. Okay, then, her again.
Me?
Yes!
Come on, come near here. Come near the camera. So I can hear you.
But don't ask, ha? Don't ask. Hey, Jude. Jude. Anak. Jude. Jude, come here. We're playing the game now. Parang may inaabot pa. What? Your name.